It's important for the college to engage in wider events like Safer Internet Day. As technology grows and society is more aware of different technologies, it's important for us to ensure that we help them develop the skills to enable them to manage their own safety, and it's about empowering and ensuring that they've got that resilience.
So Safer Internet Day is a day across the UK to champion people and organisations that are making the internet safer. Every year we come together to talk about how we can make the internet safer so everybody can thrive, not just survive online.
Safer Internet Day isn't just about whatever antivirus software you have installed or not clicking suspicious links in emails. It's also about protecting your mental health and well-being, avoiding cyberbullying, knowing how to spot misinformation. That's what Safer Internet Day is all about.
My day at Weston College has been absolutely fantastic. Some of my favourite experiences are when I get to spend time with students and with learners. They are the people that we really need. People like me who work in the safety policy space, who work in cybersecurity, who are advising politicians even. We need those people to tell us what we need to be worried about, and also how we can protect them and how they can help protect their communities.
Everything's online nowadays, your bank account, all your social media details, just everything. Like, if one person can get into that, then that's just your whole life gone.
It's just out there and you can't really do anything about it. Once it's gone, it's gone.
Learning internet safety is essential.
The panel we had today, it was full of people from different backgrounds and different experiences, mindsets, ways of thinking and opinions. Some who have worked with some of the biggest tech corporations in the world. It really provides everyone who attended today with something they might not have known before. It's really quite valuable.
We were set up to advance the practice of computing and the education of computing for the benefit of the public. BCS chose Weston College to host today because we know how important it is that experiences that are happening outside of big cities are given a profile, and it was really important to me personally that we chose Weston College as where I went to college. But also, not every town has an organisation that's as ambitious and exciting as Weston College, so it made absolute sense.
But it's also about having the next generation of employees, the next generation of brilliant thinkers who are going into industry, who are going into manufacturing, who are going into creative spaces, because they are the people that are going to be shaping our digital society in years to come.
I've just done like a hacking game. We had to hack into imaginary bank accounts and like email addresses.
And we basically get the information and we pretend to be a hacker.
What we need are people who have talent. And I've seen some amazing things today. I've seen people cracking passwords in 4 seconds. I see those people and I think, no, those are exactly the people the cybersecurity industry needs to hire now.